solve the equation 3 raised to the power 2x plus 1 minus 4 times 3 raised to the power x plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 0. So we are going to manipulate these expressions using the laws of indices. So we can write this as, so first of all, you notice that the powers have been added. So it means that initially there was a multiplication between bases. So for the first case, we had 3 raised to the power 2x times 3 raised to the power 1 minus 4 times 3 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power 1 plus 9 is equal to 0. We can write this one using the third law of indices, so that we have 3 raised to the power x squared times 3 minus 4 times 3 raised to the power x times 3 plus 9 is equal to 0. So we have a common factor here, which is 3 raised to the power x. So we can represent that using another letter. So we can let y be equal to 3 raised to the power x. So that wherever there is 3 raised to the power x, we replace that with the y. So for the first case, we're going to have 3 times that, so that is 3y squared minus 4 times 3 is 12. So we have 12y plus 9 is equal to 0. So we have a quadratic equation involving y. So you can solve that using any method. Let us use factorization. So if we use factorization, we're going to need two numbers whose product is 3 times 9, that is 27, and their sum is negative 12. So those two numbers are negative 3 and negative 9. You can check that. So we'll split b into negative 3 and negative 9, so that we have 3y squared minus 3y minus 9y plus 9 is equal to 0. So the common factor here is 3y into y minus 1. So you expect y minus 1 this side, and for you to get a positive 9, it means it was multiplied by negative 9 there, is equal to 0. So we have 3y minus 9 times y minus 1 is equal to 0. So if 3y minus 9 is equal to 0, then it means y is equal to 3. And if y minus 1 is equal to 0, then it means y is equal to 1. So y is either 3 or 1. So when y is equal to 3, what is the value of x? We know that y is the same as 3 raised to the power x. So if y is 3, so we have 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power x. So these 3 is raised to the power 1. So we can say, since the bases are the same, the powers are the same. So here x is equal to 1. And when y is equal to 1, we have 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power x. So 1 is the same as 3 raised to the power 0. 3 raised to the power x, so it means x is equal to 0. So therefore, x is either 1 or x is equal to 0.